If you want to approach an attractive woman that you don't know, be confident but respectful. Be prepared for her to say no, and respect her wishes if she's not interested. Before you go out, style your hair, put on some nice clothes, and make sure you smell your best. Approach women in casual, relaxed environments, like a mall, a social gathering, or a concert. Look for an excuse to strike up a conversation. For instance, ask a question, comment on your surroundings, or compliment her outfit. Smile, make eye contact, and keep your body language relaxed and open. If she seems friendly and interested, keep the conversation going. Try asking her for her phone number, or even inviting her to hang out on the spot. If she acts uncomfortable or looks for excuses to end the conversation, just say bye and move on.